Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make oregano essential oil at home. First, you'll need to gather your fresh oregano and a good carrier oil, like olive oil or almond oil. It's crucial to sterilize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent contamination. This includes any jars, bottles, or tools you plan to use. Finally, prepare a dark glass bottle for storing your homemade oil, as this helps protect it from light degradation. Now let's prepare the oregano. Begin by washing your fresh oregano thoroughly under cool water. It's very important to dry it completely afterwards. Any moisture can lead to mold. Next, gently bruise the leaves using a mortar and pestle or by hand. This action helps to break down the plant cells, allowing the essential oils to release more easily into your carrier oil. Finally, transfer the bruised oregano into a clean glass jar. With your oregano in the jar, it's time for the infusion. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the oregano, making sure all the plant material is fully submerged. This prevents air exposure and potential spoilage. Seal the jar tightly with a lid and place it in a warm, sunny spot, like a windowsill. Let this mixture infuse for a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks, shaking it gently every day or two to aid the process. After the infusion period, it's time to strain your oil. Place a cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve over a clean bowl or jar. Pour the infused oil and oregano through it, allowing the oil to collect. Gently squeeze the oregano to extract every last drop of precious oil. Once strained, transfer your homemade oregano essential oil into that dark glass bottle you prepared earlier. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.